Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Astro World. First of all, I would like to say a big sorry to all of you guys because I could not upload any video since last 2 days because I was really busy in some other work. But now we are going to continue our zodiac sign series, in which today we are going to talk about Scorpio zodiac sign. So let's get started. Scorpio is the zodiac sign which is ruled by Mars, and the element of Scorpio is water. First of all, we will discuss about some of the physical characteristics of Scorpio people. So these people have usually dark look with brown or dark eyes. They may even have tan skin. Their chin and jaw bones are strong. They also have sharp features, and their eyes are so deep as well as attractive. Now we will discuss about some of the personality traits of Scorpio people. These people have great knowledge regarding the philosophy of death and rebirth. Then these people are the transformers of the zodiac signs. So these people have to go through lots of transformation in their life. Scorpio people go through lots of traumas in their childhood life. These people are extremely innocent looking people. They have charming, composed, and reserved appearance from outside. These people are very secretive people. They keep secrets very well, even if they look so cool from outside, but they are like a lava from inside which can burst anytime if provoked. So we should be very careful when dealing with Scorpio people, because if they are provoked, the lava can burst anytime. Then these people love to wear black. There are three types of Scorpio people. The first type of Scorpio people are very cold, silent, and intelligent. The second type of Scorpio people are very passionate people. And the third kind of Scorpio people are self destructive people. Self destructive in the sense they can destruct themselves if they are hurt. Now we will again talk about overall personality traits of Scorpio people. The one thing about Scorpio people which is common is the when they look into eyes, their eyes are their identity. So no one can stand the gaze of Scorpio people. The eyes of Scorpio is very intense, hypnotic, and deep. The eyes of the Scorpio people are just like an X-ray machine. They can scan anything. It is very difficult to lie Scorpio people because they are like the human lie detectors. They can catch the lie of a person very quickly, that whether the person is lying or telling the truth. So Scorpio people are never attached by any kind of insults or compliments by the other people. They take it very equally, both of the things, and they don't get much attached to these both things. Now, even when Scorpio people look rigid from outside, but they are extremely sensitive from inside. But Scorpio people never forgets anything, especially if you hurt them, they will never they will never forget the hurt. If you will hurt Scorpio people, they will definitely take a revenge from you. But I think their motive is not to take a revenge, but to teach you that how it feels to get hurt. It's their motive. It's their motive is to teach you, but not to take a revenge. So if you treat them right, they will definitely treat you the best. They show their affection by doing things to their loved ones, by doing practical things, by caring about the people. They show their affection in that way. But usually, the way of showing affection of Scorpio people is very harsh. People can't understand them that they're caring of them or they're very angry on them. It is very difficult for the people to understand. Then many Scorpios end up divorcing because they could not express themselves. They are very poor in expressing their feelings. Their way of showing love is very different. They can show their anger very easily, but they can't show other feelings very easily. Just anger, they can show it very easily. As we all know, Scorpios has this sting which contains poisons. So Scorpio people has lots of bitterness inside them which spoils their mental and physical being. So I suggest Scorpio people not to keep any kind of bitterness inside their heart and express everything to their closed ones. These people are also the people which gives a lot to the people. Then we have to dig deep into the heart of the Scorpio people to really understand them. Scorpio as a parent is very protective parent. If someone says anything about their child, they just go and start to fight with them. They are so protective regarding their child. The commitment is very important for Scorpio people, and they are the most loyal people. One thing I have to say, that never mess with Scorpio people. They will never leave you without teaching you lesson. This is the one thing I have to say. There is a kind of magnetism in the personality of Scorpio people. They are very good in keeping secrets of their friends. Whenever you would like to share any secret, you can share any secret with the Scorpio people because they are extremely good in keeping it. Because they themselves are a secret being. Then, so whatever is the mystery is the Scorpio. Whatever mystical things you will see in the life, it is Scorpio. Then they are wonderful writers. They can also write about the subjects that are taboo in the society. Then the more they are hurt, the more these people will rise in their life, because getting hurt makes them more strong from inside. These people are very harsh with the people which are close to them, so I would suggest to be a little soft for the at least the people which are close to them. These people are all about journey in the life, that is coming out from darkness and again going to light, then again going to darkness, and then coming out from the darkness and going to light. It is the karma of these people, kind of. So this was all the personality traits. Now we will discuss some of the health related issues which Scorpio can face. Many times I have seen the reproductive system related issues with Scorpio people, and the nose bleeding issues are also seen in Scorpio people. Now we will discuss about some of the career options which are good for Scorpio people. Scorpio people can become a great psychologist because they can understand the psychology of people very nicely. They are very good investigators because they have the mind of investigation, so they can become good investigators. The profession of astrology is also very good for Scorpio people. They can become a very good detector, a surgeon, and they can also be good in spirituality because they know the philosophy of death as well as rebirth. So this was my overall analysis of Scorpio people. If you have resonated with it, then please like it, share it, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to take any personal consultation from me, you can directly call me or WhatsApp me on the number which is provided into description box. See you next time with the 9th zodiac sign, which is Sagittarius.